Welcome to the lock-in. Today we have a tri-circuit padlock. It's a Tri Circuit 265 made in China. There are the keys. It says hardened on the shackle. I'm not guaranteeing that is though. And we're not going to pick this. We're just going to open it up. So place the blade all the way to the bottom. And pull. And that's it open. I'll do that again. So blade in, push the pins back, and we're feeling for the locking pole at the end. I'm just going to pull that back, and that opens it like that. Oh, time for a beer for me. Only pick locks that you own, and keep it legal.